Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video. This section 1 will illustrate the user registration of app. Open the AGR app. New users can click the register in the bottom right corner to register. There are phone number register and email address register to choose from. We can choose phone number register, fill in the relevant information, enter the invitation code. Select your region. Enter your phone number. Click Get Verification Code. Then enter your name and password. Finally, click Next Step and registration will succeed. Wait for the approval to bind the drone. Click User Information. Click My Drone. Click a drone. Enter the agriculture drone ID and activation code. Click Sure to successfully add the drone. Tap the addition sign to share the drone with others. Enter the account of the person to be shared. Click Sure to share. Click on the user's avatar to view account information. Click Remove to remove the user.